welcome back. All right, I'm super duper excited because my brand new class, the 9 Patch Along 5.0, has just launched. And when I do these live launches, I actually get to quilt along with you. It's so much fun. I feel like I actually get to participate in the class. Anyways, before I get ahead of myself, as I'm quilting along, I'm using the sampler here. This is the 9 Patch Along 5.0 panel. And throughout all this outside area, I thought, what is the perfect place to go right back to the basics? Start with something simple where everybody can start and get comfortable with your machine with free motion quilting before you start ruler work. So I thought it'd be fun today to go all the way and start simple with all over meander or stipple stitching. And that will be what I quilt for all of this outside background area and through all of the sashings on this quilt. So let's hop right into my machine and let's start quilting. To do stipple quilting, I like to usually start on the side, even though I can't always do that. Once I start, I will be stitching here in the stitch regulated mode with my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. I do have self-fine thread on the top of my machine, and I have the Super Bob pre-wound bobbins in my bobbin. Now I do have the Gamel ruler foot here on my Gamel machine because I'm going to be doing ruler work throughout most of the quilt, so I'll just keep that ruler foot here on my machine. Now whenever I'm quilting stippling, I'm trying not to cross over my original stitch line. I'm trying to quilt just little meanders, kind of like puzzle pieces that are as random as I can get them. While also trying to be really consistent with my sizing. Often when I'm stippling, I like to think about maybe little tails that I'm curling around, maybe little circles that I'm curling around, and also working kind of in little sections. So you'll see I'll work in a small section here, a small section here, just working in small sections to achieve a really great overall result. You found a little bit of inspiration from this fun stippling. I'm so excited about this brand new free class, the 9 Patch Along 5.0. You can enroll at any time over on our website, peaceandquilt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be back soon with another video.